Atomic Radius Down the Periodic Table by Nate Stone and Justin Karpinski. Every time an energy level is added to an atom, the atomic radius increases. This is because as you go down the periodic table, the number of protons increase inside the nucleus, which then the nucleus gets bigger. The number of electrons also increase, causing more energy levels to form, causing the attraction to be not as great, making the atom expand. Here's an example of the first column of the periodic table. Hydrogen has one energy level, and compared to the 5 energy levels that Rb has, since Rb has 5 energy levels, then Rb will have the weakest attractions between protons and electrons, thus making it bigger. And then hydrogen has 1 energy level, so it's more compact than um, the other atoms in its column. Shielding of valence electrons. The core electrons are called shielding electrons because they shield the valence electrons from the force of the attraction exerted by the nucleus. That weakens the influence of the nucleus on valence electrons between different energy levels.
This situation shows a nucleus, or Drake, in the middle of the room and some of his friends trying to talk to him. Jim is the closest to Drake, so it would be the easiest to have a conversation with him because Jim is only 2 feet away from Drake. This shows that the attraction between Drake and Jim is the strongest because Jim is the closest to Drake, and it is easy to talk to him. Though, as you move farther away to Nick, Drake has a harder time trying to talk to him rather than Jim. The attraction between Drake and Nick is weaker because Nick is farther away, resulting in Drake having a hard time hearing Nick. Lastly, Jordan is the farthest away from Drake, so he has the hardest time trying to talk to him. He's so far away that Drake has to shout to keep the conversation going. Thus, Jim is the closest to Drake and has the smallest atomic radius to the nucleus, resulting in the greatest attraction occurring between Drake and Jim. Then, as you reach Jordan, who is the farthest distance away from the nucleus, with the largest atomic radius, he and Drake share the weakest attraction. Also, the farther away the person was from Drake, the bigger they were. In conclusion, as you go down a column of the periodic table, the atomic radius increases as the energy levels also increase. Also, this means that the size of the atom increases when the energy level is added.